Hi grade 9 students, today we'll begin with our lesson mechanical actions and this is the video number 1. In this video we'll define force, the mechanical action, also will determine the effect of forces. What is force? When squeezing a ball you apply a certain action called a force, mechanical action. Here you are applying a force on your ball. When you push a car you apply a certain action called a force. Here the boy is exerting a force on his car. When you kick a ball, you apply a certain action called a force. Here the boy is exerting a force on the ball. When you compress or elongate a spring, you exert a certain action called a force. Here the spring is compressed and here the spring is elongated. In both cases, you are applying a force on the spring. إن كان عم نعمله compression أو عم نعمله elongation، معناتها بكون عم نعمل force على الspring. When you push a box, you exert a certain action called a force. Here the boy is exerting a force on his box. Let's define force. Force is a mechanical action exerted by one body on another body. A force هي mechanical action exerted by one body on another. The force known by its effects and has certain characteristics. هنحكي كمان عن ال effects للforces وال characteristics للforce. A exert the force F on the object B. This is A is exerting a force on the object B. الفورس دايما represented by a vector. الفكتور يعني الليبل اللي هو بنحط اللتر وبنحط فوقه arrow. الارو دايما بنحطه على الرايت. ما هذا الارو ما بيعني اتجاهه للفورس. هيدا الليبلينج للفورس كفكتور. بنحط اللتر مثلا هون اسمها الفورس F، بنحط الاف بنحط فوقها الارو اللي هيدا بيعني انه هي vector quantity. effect of forces شو ممكن يكون عنده effect تأثيرات الفورسز؟ ممكن set a body in motion. بهيدي الحالات الأوبجكت كان ما عنده motion، كان واقف ونحن حركناه، معناتها الإفكت للفورس هون إنه set a body in motion. ممكن الإفكت تكون stop the motion. نحن كان الأوبجكت عم يتحرك ولما عملنا الفورس stop the motion. ممكن من الإفكتس تكون change أو changing the direction of motion. Like this, you are changing the direction of motion by applying the force. Also, from the effect of force, ممكن تكون change the shape of an object. You are when you're applying a force, this force, you are changing the shape of the object. Here, when the force is applied, the shape of the object is changed. Also here, فالforce من الeffects تقلها ممكن تكون change the shape of the object. Thank you.